Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here is a quick update regarding the GenAI Academy APAC edition. If you have participated in this challenge, here is a quick update that the submission window for the particular project is closing today only. So in case you haven't submitted the prototype demo video and the GitHub code and deployment link, hurry up because the deadline is today only and it will be closing around 11:59 p.m. So first of all, how to submit? In case you have already registered, fresh registrations are closed. In case you have already registered, you can apply for this opportunity. You can see two challenges are there. You can select any one track and complete it. In the submission section, what you have to do, you have to attach the deployment link, select the challenge which you are selecting, attach the PPT in the format of PDF, then the GitHub repository, demo link, and brief description about the particular project which you have built. If you want to know how to build and complete the project, I have built multiple projects over here. So I'll share the projects links also in the description. From there you can watch the video. Also, if you need a scratch guide, we have covered in the cohort 1. So you can watch this particular video and just understand how we have to make the PPT, how to do the submission. Only the UI is changed. Process remains same, that you have to attach the GitHub link, deployment link, and the PPT. So make sure to check it out. And if you want to participate in the arcade program, we will be getting some cool swags. You can check the description box. I have attached the video over there. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.